Hello everyone, this is Daniel Kesson. I am the founder and chief executive officer of DS Healthcare, better known as DSLABORATORIES to some of you. And today we wanted to discuss some of the rumors and some of the issues that have been circulating in the press, and also talk about some of the issues that we've seen surrounding Continuum recently. So first of all, the company at the very core of what we do is disruptive innovation, and we focus on making breakthrough innovative technologies to really make a meaningful difference in people's lives. We don't imitate other brands. And recently a certain brand has been making claims with our distributors and others, essentially stating that we've infringed on their patents, that we've violated their intellectual property. And this is completely untrue. And in addition to that, there's been some other issues that have come up that we feel that others see a lot of value in the future of the company, a lot of value in our technology, and we've had what could probably be seen as a takeover attempt by others. And we're dealing with these issues now. We're facing a few challenges, but it's something that we feel very good about getting resolved in the near future. So to talk about Continuum, so first of all, it is something that is so innovative, so disruptive, and so entirely different from anything else that's currently available that I actually want to talk about some of the science so we can really disclose more of how the product works. So first, let's go into and briefly discuss the different types of chemical bonds in hair. So the first is ionic bonds, which is a bond between amino acid molecules, which are essentially oppositely charged groups. The second type of bond, which is really well known in the industry, are disulfide bonds, which are bonds between two sulfur atoms, which are connecting two cysteine amino acid molecules. Then the third bond is a hydrogen bond, which is a bond between a hydrogen atom and an electronegative element. And then finally, we have the van der Waals interactions, which are weak interactions between hydrophobic molecules. So for the types of bonds we just went over, for the first three, they contribute equally to the overall strength of the hair. They contribute each about 1/3 to the overall strength. And ionic bonds, which I just mentioned, are the most common in hair structure, which are then followed by hydrogen bonds. And the disulfide bonds are actually approximately less than 10% of the total number of bonds in hair. Okay, so just to briefly describe the actual mechanism of action Continuum, which is unlike anything else that currently exists, is that it increases the number of hydrogen bonds by increasing the concentration of atoms with high electronegativity. And these are the two key factors that can affect hydrogen bonding. And then in addition to this, the strength of hydrogen bonding is also improved due to a reduction in the distance between the hydrogen atom and the electronegative atom, leading to higher electronegativity. So, I mean, this is a lot of science, but essentially this is truly a breakthrough product that physically restructures hair. It's unlike anything else. It does not coat hair, it does not condition hair like traditional products. It actually physically restructures the hair shaft. So if we take an actual hair strand and a severely damaged hair strand, that we put it under a microscope, and then we look at the same strand after it's been dipped into Continuum solution, within a few moments you can observe with your very own eyes how that strand is physically repaired and looks like a completely smooth shaft, which then leads to incredible results and opens up a whole new world of possibilities in hair color, bleaching, other types of restructuring, whatever it is that people like to do in salons. It's a whole new generation of treatment and possibilities, and we think will make a huge difference. So we hope that if you're hearing rumors, that you can reach out to us directly. We would love to hear from you. We think it's important that you hear the facts. So feel free to reach out to us anytime. And thanks so much for listening to this today. We hope to hear from you soon.